Welcome back, Doug's Top Dogs. Today we're gonna make us a little fun creation. Not sure if I'm gonna sell this on the cart, but I could. We're gonna do a little Taco Bell play with the Crunchwrap, but a chili cheese hot dog Crunchwrap version. So let's check out what we're working with. So as you can see on the griddle here, we already got some hot dogs down. I got 3 of them, not sure how many I'm gonna use. I split them in half, so that way I can kind of position them around in my Crunchwrap. We're gonna throw a little steak weight down to help get them bad boys caramelized up. Here we go. We got a 14-inch tortilla. These you can find from a restaurant supply, a little Mexican grocery. You really don't find them in grocery stores. Usually the biggest I can find is maybe a 12-inch, like at Costco or Sam's. Not even Sam's has it, but Costco Business Center. Probably a 10-inch, probably the biggest in the store, normal grocery store. We got a little tostada. Those you can get at the store for sure. Plenty of those. We got some chopped up white onion. I got some shredded cheddar cheese. We're gonna do a little mustard and ketchup on it, why not? And as you can see, we got those hot dogs cooking, and then we got some homemade chili sauce. So there we go, that's all our ingredients. Let's get this thing going. Oh yeah, there we go, that's what we want. That's that nice color on them dogs. All right, we get them dogs browned up on that other side and we're gonna be ready to build. All right, hot dogs are looking good. Let's get this thing assembled. First thing we need to do is warm up this tortilla, get it pliable. All right, looking good, nice and good, let's pliable, let's start building this thing. First thing I wanna do, I'm gonna put a little bit of cheese down, I believe. I think that's what we're gonna do, a little bit of cheese. Let's get some hot dogs positioned here, kind of get an idea of our tortilla. Don't know if we'll need them all, probably not. Maybe go with 5 of them. I think that'll be good, looks like that. Let's do a little mustard. And I'm feeling crazy, we're gonna do a little ketchup. Let's get some chili on top. Hit our tortilla, and then let's do some cheese, and we'll do some more chili. It'll melt all together real nicely. And can't forget about our onions, and for good measure, a little mustard. A little more ketchup. All right, let's hope I didn't make this thing too big, that we can get this thing folded up. Moment of truth. I mean, barely. It's probably gonna ooze out a little bit, but that's all right. All right. Get this thing flipped over. All right, we're gonna let that brown up real good, and then we'll be able to dig in. All right, here we go. All its glory. That's what I'm talking about right there. Chili cheese hot dog Crunchwrap. Let's give it a go. Give me one more. All right, that's good. That's really good. Should I sell it in the cart? I don't know. It takes a minute to build. Big tortilla, stuff you gotta bring. I don't know, it'll be delicious, maybe run as a special. All I gotta see once I get that cart up and going, how busy I am. You know, that's gonna kind of kind of play into what kind of menu I do and then what I adapt to. But however, at home, can't go wrong with making one of these. I mean, Crunchwraps are a beautiful thing, always, all styles. But that is it for this video. I'm gonna enjoy this Crunchwrap, and I'll talk to you guys next time. I'm out.